Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett. Today I want to share with you how to prepare Jamaican rice and peas. We are known for rice and peas, so I want to show you how I make it for my family. Now my simple ratio is 2 to 1. What that means, if I'm using 1 cup of peas, which I'm using today, I'll be using 2 cups of rice. So I went ahead and I put my peas. Yes, only in Jamaica we refer to kidney beans as peas. That's what makes us even so much more special. So I have my red peas in the pot. They're cooked. So now we're going to season the rice and peas. Now, scallions are very important. It adds the flavor to the rice and peas. I like to cut it up so that I don't have to remove it at the end. Garlic is also important, so we're adding some garlic in. A whole Scotch bonnet pepper goes in. A little bit of sugar for sweetness. Don't worry, it won't taste like lemonade. The sugar, we're just treating it like a spice. Ground pimento goes in. Coconut milk. Now coconut milk is an absolute must into the rice and peas, so the coconut milk goes in. And then of course we need some butter. If you don't have butter, you can use margarine. And then finally some thyme. These are the basic ingredients that is used in rice and peas. Now you can go further with it. Like my mother, she will put something salted in it, like a piece of pigtail or corn pork, but that is optional. And then of course we want to add some salt to taste. And that's basically the beginning of the rice and peas. The hardest part when you're making rice and peas is to cook the beans first. Once the beans are cooked, you're good to go. And now let us talk about rice. Now the rice you use in the rice and peas depends on your preference. Please note the package instruction for the rice that you'll be using. Today I'm using basmati rice, and so I'm using my 2 cups of basmati rice. I find that the basmati rice comes out perfect every time. So again, you want to always cook these things according to the package instructions. So you look at your rice package and it will tell you how much liquid you need for it, and that is what I refer to as cooking according to the package instruction. Alright guys, so our beautiful rice and peas have been cooking for approximately 15 minutes. So remember now, when the rice is added, you bring it to a boil and then you turn the fire down to low. So we're going to take these thyme pieces out. They did their job. They added the beautiful flavors. So we're going to take that out. And remember at the beginning I told you I like to cut the scallion up, that way it mixes right in with the rice. You don't have to take it out. Alright, so at this stage, it's very important that you use a fork and just kind of fluff the rice. Just fluff it up, make sure you mix it all up. And that's all there is to it. So make some rice and peas for your family today. Rice and peas is good with any meat, or if you're a vegan, it's good by itself. It's good with salad. This is our rice and peas. I use basmati rice. I'm just gonna portion it out and show you what it looks like. So it should not be soft and sticky. I love using the basmati rice, but again, you can use whatever rice that is available to you. Just remember to check your package instruction. And this is our rice. Do enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I am your diva chef, Simone Walker Barrett. I'll see you next time with another of my family's favorite Jamaican comfort food.